Hey everyone, it's that time of the year now, 15 days to the new year, and many are taking the time to reflect on the past year. In today's video, I want to show you how to create your top 9 Instagram moments from 2020. It's very simple and very easy. Let's go ahead and download an app called Top 9 on Instagram. You can find it on the App Store or Play Store and it's completely free. Now let's open the app. Once the app opens, enter in your Instagram username and press continue. Then in the next page, you can enter in your email address or just press the link on top where it says tap here if you don't want to enter in your email. Then you'll get a prompt and it'll ask you if you want to continue without support. Tap on continue without support. The app will then process your request and return back an image with a collage of 9 of your most liked posts on Instagram. Tap on save and share and save it to your photo library. Now go to your Instagram and post your top 9 collage. And there you go guys, that is how to create your top 9 Instagram moments from 2020. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.